Listen, me, I gotta take you and put it in your mouth. Hey, make sure your hand clean, you know? Oh, God!
Why wouldn't my hands be clean?
Come here, man. Watch us style.
I'm here with the squad. I wanted to do a really quick, I wanted to do a fun video while he was here, so we decided to do the What's in Your Mouth challenge.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Nice again. Like the vibes, you know, so. Wanna kick it off.
How do you think you're gonna do?
Yeah, I feel I'm on good.
Yeah?
Yeah, what do you think about yourself?
You're not giving me for poison, right?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go first. I've got my food. He did tell me make sure my hands are clean.
Yes.
So I'm gonna go wash my hands again.
I'm gonna go wash them too.
I'm gonna wash my hands again to make sure we're good. Alright, so we're gonna get started.
Right. Tell me when you want me to put on my mask, you know.
Blindfolds!
Alright, my people, I lock off.
You can't see?
I can't see nothing.
Okay.
You must could have given me one where I can't see one little bit.
You think I joke thing, Bridget?
I don't want you down there saying no, brother. So come back because I don't know something like that. My stuff after you blindfold me, you gone down there. I don't tell you something, I don't want you down there. Man, make me real laugh, you know. Don't just a bone with make up you.
Alright, guys.
Oh, yeah, last one. No, I fit you good, catch.
Damn it, no. Damn me, I'm nothing. Alright? Cut the shit.
As long as I'm not poison. I'm not poison, no?
No, I would never poison you, Jermaine. Come on. You're my favorite. You know that.
Yo, wait. You have to tell me when you want to put this in my mouth. Because I don't want to choke you. Oh.
Are you ready?
Hey. I mean, you know, because I'm hungry.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go open your mouth.
Yeah.
Open your mouth. Stop smelling it. You're smelling it.
Don't be not smelling, man. Alright, let me put it in my mouth.
Open your mouth.
Yo, stop laughing, no, man. I'll get serious now.
Alright, go.
People, me get that one here, you know. That one here, honey.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah. Yo! I try to get for the first taste, you know.
Yeah. Go. The fuck?
You know, I put this in my mouth, man. Sweet pepper.
2 for 2. Alright. Ready?
Jeez.
It's too easy. It's too easy. Alright, cool now. Ready? Open.
No, I don't really remember the name of the sitting here, but you're sitting on our bush sitting, coming like, would have coming like, what you call it, sitting there? Like sitting like time. Only sitting thing, but I don't remember the name.
Wait, describe it. What does it look like?
One green something.
Yeah? What do you put it in?
You know your vegetable or your little meat or so.
Yeah?
I can't put it, but I don't remember the name. But I don't love it. It's bad there.
You don't love it?
No.
Alright guys, he didn't get that one. That was celery, you guys. Alright.
Ma give me foreign food. Me don't know foreign food. Hard food, me know. But this a food that takes a long come on.
Come on.
Hard God. Pear. Pear, man. Pear.
So we had deal with fear, so like you know like so you don't know it.
Yeah.
It took you a while to get
No,
to
because
say.
to the old bad taste in my mouth from the old bush. Foreign bush city. I put it in my mouth.
Foreign bush, you guys. Alright. Open the mouth.
The people me tell us I'm hungry, you know. Me nah miss this a fish. Me get it?
Yes, you did.
How much more left in there?
You know yourself. Go. What is it? Say something. Say something, Bridget. Say something.
Sticker.
What?
See what we just buy from where I got it sticker. Why sticker? Buy name again?
What?
It's what we just buy from the store, right?
I didn't buy anything at the store.
I mean, man, you know, just buy something and eat it, man, when you come down.
Oh my god. You think that's a Snicker? You think that was chocolate?
I don't know. I want to let me for 6.
Hey man, you're looking already.
No, look, man.
Alright guys, so he completely missed that one. I gave him a date. And
What?
he, date.
I name sir.
It's like a dried fruit. People use it to sweeten stuff. Alright. Ready up again. Ready up?
I'm ready.
Come on.
So you just like it. I put it in my nose, it's sitting in my mouth, man.
What is that?
This is a dry mango, a mango makina, but a dry one.
A mango making. That tastes like mango to you, Jermaine.
But I'm gonna get you to my mouth.
Jermaine said want to get to time more, guys.
Tambourine, you know?
That's not a freaking tambourine. That tastes like tambourine to you.
But I don't have them food, I go feel bad.
Alright, one last chance. Where was it? Alright guys, I'm going to take him out of his misery.
Know that.
That was a prune.
What?
Prune. German said tambourine. Oh my god. I can't. Ready
Last
again.
one.
No, we have 2 more.
Oh, God.
Okay. Ready? Open your mouth. You gotta open wide.
Ah.
Open wide.
I'm trying to morning now to sit there.
No! I stop looking. You're looking,
No,
Jermaine.
no.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Ready to open your mouth, one?
Alright, go.
Go on. Ah. No, open. What is it?
Who cannot?
Yes. That took you long, Jermaine. That took you long. All right. When you finish with that, I'm gonna 2 more.
No, I want you.
2 more.
Where next one there?
Right here. Ready? Open. Please.
Peanut. Peanut.
Just because it's a nut doesn't mean it's a peanut, Jermaine. What does it taste like? Does that taste like peanut to you?
No peanut, me no yes.
Jermaine's not peanut, him know it does. That was a pistachio, you guys. Pistachio. You know what a pistachio is, right?
Yes, it's peanut.
Oh my god. Alright, this one is easy. In fact.
So you have them sitting here for me could find you.
I told you just look all in the fridge, in the cupboard, everywhere.
Look everywhere but you check me.
Alright. Ready? Open them up. Big.
No.
Quick. Thank you. What is that?
Cherry, the big cherry them, the big red cherry them. I hate that.
What big red cherry?
Big cherry them, man.
You mean a strawberry?
Yeah, this big strawberry.
With what?
I eat.
That's it?
Yeah.
I eat that one?
But you could have put more one sitting in my mouth.
I
One
did.
sitting you have to put it in my mouth one time. You can't put 2.
No, put 2. That's how it is? Okay. Alright guys, so Jermaine got most of them. Not all of them. He totally messed up on the prune. Totally messed up on the dates. You can take the blindfold off now.
Oh, God.
Get back in the frame, damn it. Oh my god. So this is what you couldn't get, Jermaine.
I'm not getting none of that, not you?
I didn't give you that because you didn't want to do any more. And I didn't give you that.
So, I did want to do more.
You didn't want to do any more. So before just now I gave you this and this together.
Oh. But you can't give me 2 of them together. You have to give me 1.
If your taste buds are good, you'll know that you have 2 things.
Hard. Alright, put on your 1.
Alright guys, it's my turn.
I'm going to put on this. Show me emotion.
Sha la 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 la.
Show me emotion. Sha
Am I gonna need to
la
spit?
la la. Show me emotion. Shit, you eye them too.
My eyes are closed, man.
The people.
Brendan, no, I've done more to the thing, you know.
Yeah, go sir. Can I see it? Oh, Cinderella.
Ready?
Yeah, open. Wide. Have your mouth wide and that. Open your mouth.
Cheerios, guys.
Alright?
Cheerios. I got that one.
Alright. Cheerio.
Honey nut Cheerios. Okay.
Good job. Open your mouth again, sister. Whoa! I wanna hold him.
Ew, you give me bread? You know I don't eat bread? Is this bread?
Yeah. Alright.
Alright. And he gave me the crusty part, guys. Gross.
Ready again?
My trainer's gonna kick your ass.
Eh?
My trainer's gonna kick your ass for giving me bread. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
avocado.
Now I'm going Rasta. What's going on in this homogeneous? Watch, you want to get all of them right? How I got?
Every single one of them make I get right. Hold on.
Wait, so we can mix them too?
No! No! Ready?
Yeah.
Granny Smith apple.
Come on, ready?
That was good.
Ready?
Peanuts! Peanuts!
Ma,
Or
mix
as
them
my
now.
babe would say, monkey nuts.
You did mix one, so I'm going to mix
No!
one. Yes, so you mean no.
Wait a minute. This is gonna be stuck in my mouth forever.
What that?
It's peanut.
Ready?
Ready?
Push this sitting in your mouth. I am sitting.
Banana. What is it?
Yeah?
Banana. Yeah, wicked motherfucker.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
This is a banana over here. I taste cinnamon in this. What the hell is this?
Me, I give you 3 seconds. 1.
Banana with
2,
cinnamon
3.
on it.
You know what? That?
Cinnamon.
No, you get that wrong. A bun. You get the banana right, but you get the bun wrong.
That wasn't fair, guys. That was not fair.
More than fair. I'll give you 2 more again.
No!
Oh, you mean no? 2 more again.
Weird, brethren. You're wicked. I'm still doing better than you.
No way.
In every way, I got 1 wrong. And the spice bun is very cinnamony, so that kind of made sense.
No.
Your shit was completely
Bun a
off.
bun.
Alright. Alright. Cheese.
One, 2, 3.
No! Cheesies and cheese.
Cheesies and cheese.
Yeah.
No. One of them are cheese. And one.
Cornflakes. Frosted
No, you
flakes.
get it wrong already.
No,
you get.
Frosted flakes.
No.
I said it before you said
No.
it. Frosted flakes.
No. You get it wrong already.
No.
Call it already. No.
Frosted
This is
flakes
the man-
and cheese.
No.
I got it.
No.
I got it before you
No.
said it. Shut up.
No.
Jeremy, shut
The
up.
first
Shut up.
answer.
No.
When you watch school challenge quiz, after them press the buzzer, I know the first.
But you never press it.
Oh, you mean me not press it? Oh, you mean me not press it?
You never pressed
Oh, you
it.
see me
Jeremy.
tell you say cheese yes, and the other one and you jump up and yeah.
And I said it before you said it.
No,
I said it before the answer, so I got it.
No, 2 you get wrong.
Frosted flakes, one we get wrong. Frosted flakes and cheese.
Fear is fear.
No.
Up your mouth.
No, I'm not ready.
Fear is fear.
I'm not ready. I cheat, I'm ready.
Talking about cheetah. Cheetah weird.
And yeah, double up the thing them star.
Yes, because you either follow the sitting there.
But tell if you're looking at the fridge and looking at
Look
the
everywhere,
cupboard,
me can't
it's not
find
my
it.
fault you didn't know where to find food. Alright, ready? Are we have mixed up, Bridget?
No, no, I want this.
We have mixed up.
Alright, come on. But don't smell nothing, you know. Push it down here. Alright.
Big dirty parrot fish.
Alright, you win.
That was it?
No, yeah, that I ate that. I ate that.
I win, you guys.
No, me not say I win, no, me say I ate that.
No, I win. Put up in your name. Anyway, guys.
You get it wrong, cause guess what? You see that little round sitting here? See it, you look back.
I said Cheerio.
Cherry, but we didn't mix it one of the dog food. Let me tell the people, don't trust no one.
He's lying, you guys. Jeremy would never do that to me. No, you did. No.
Yo, do we intro down fast? Wait, let me go for your show now.
Me know what you're making up. Me know
See, tell the people, look here. This are the Cheerio and this are the dog.
I like that. Jeremy!
Oh God!
Did you give me dog food?
Ask the people them, can they see? Ask them no?
You showed it to them before you gave it to me?
Ask them. Remember some show no? The dog food. Not true.
I don't believe you.
Listen, man.
I don't believe you. I'm gonna see the
Listen,
food and
man.
I'm gonna see that you didn't give me no damn dog food.
Listen, man. In this world, trust no one. Oh God.
Listen.
Ask them.
I'm gonna go out on faith. I don't need to ask them anything because me, I could go out my faith. I mean, no, said Jeremy would have never done that to me.
People,
Jeremy,
in this life, just no.
if I rewind that footage and you get me dog food.
What y'all gonna do? Eh? You done it already. I don't eat it for you, man.
Let me tell guys,
Listen, man.
I don't believe it.
Look at my people. When you see when me did hold up here, so I said, I just said, truly I want.
Guys, I knew everything with the exception of one thing. Me know me never eaten a dog food. Me know me never eaten a dog food. So I'm not paying attention to anything that German has to say. Anyway, that was the what's in your mouth. Well, maybe you can help me with the outro, right?
No.
So now you can say that was the what's in your mouth challenge. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Yeah, open and enjoy. Oh God, look at his face. Just say no, look, please. I'm not talking now, please. Look, you see it? Look, let's see your face, man. I'm looking at your face.
Listen to me. Me know better. I mean, say
hey.
you know better. Me not pay no mind.
I mean, no better than what?
Me not pay
Listen,
no
man,
mind.
me I entertain my people. Them.
So you're gonna entertain them at the risk of my health.
No, dear.
No, not to me.
No.
Why not to me?
Come on.
You have for me dog food and not to me.
No. Listen, man. Nothing not doing. You see it? You saw what I give him? He come like, what you call them thing? He come like Cheerio. Oh, God.
Jeremy is an idiot.
Alright, let me kind of ease him up. Me not do it still, but let me kind of ease all the pressure off him. Look how he feels light up back now.
I knew better, guys, all along. Anyway, you guys, that was the What's in Your Mouth challenge. Hope you guys enjoyed. Tell people thanks for watching.
Thanks for seeing eat the dog food.
Stop playing about Virgin. Outro. Give people a proper outro.
John Rasta. Bless up your seat. Mad link.
Alright, smart links. Bye, guys.